In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this bra cup by yourself by learning how to measure your body, the bra cup that fit all type of the body. This bra cup, basically I decided for this BFF bra, stand for breastfeeding friendly. You can see the first picture I'm with the door. So this is like the pattern that I published last year. You can see all of my testers, there are different sizes, different size of the breast, and you can see that this cup is super great support for all type of the body. So if you're interested to learn, just stay tuned. You can see that, wow, I love this one on Elizabeth. It's super beautiful. You can also purchase this written pattern. I have the link down for you, but today I'm going to just show you how. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use one of these yarn. It's a or Alice Baha, but I'm just going to choose one of the color. I just want to show you the yarn first. I want to let you know also that this yarn, the weight of the yarn is between DK and spot weight yarn, but the BFF bra that I'm showing you earlier in the video, that one is DK weight. I just want to let you know that it doesn't matter what type of yarn or yarn weight, you can learn to measure your breast and create a bra cup that fits you in the choice of the yarn that you want to use. And this yarn I demonstrate today because I want to try the yarn in my hands, and I love it so far. It's quite soft and also very smooth to crochet with. And if you want to get the same yarn, I put the link for you down below. Make sure when you order, just mention my name, then the owner, his name Astalan, he going to give you some gift, like more skein of yarn. Just make sure you mention Maya Luna Corazon, you watch my video, and that you gonna get extra gift from him. Alright, so let's start this project. I'm going to use the hook 3.5mm hook. I always have my stitch markers along in case I need it, and if you want to learn how to make it, I have a video for you. I put somewhere here in the corner. You need a tape measurement, that for sure, yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. And first off, you're going to start to measure your body. So I'm just going to show you in the paper before I show you how I measure my body. So here is the middle point is my nipple. Sorry again, this is how I draw. I hope you understand. And that part is the under of the breast. So you can see roughly this is the structure that we're going to measure. So here you can see the fullest part of our breast. So here you're gonna measure around that part in the middle of our two breasts. So in the middle, in the fullest part to the outer side of our breast. And for me, that measure 8 inches. And then you're going to measure from here upward into the flat part of your breast. Okay, here maybe you can see it better. That is a flat part of your breast, and measure down is 4 inches. And when I said the outer breast to the middle is 8 inches, that's how you will measure your breast, like so. So here, come back to the paper, 8 inches already, write it down, and up there is 4 inches. Now we're gonna do a little calculation. So 8 inches divided with 2, we have 4 inches. And now we have to find out how many half double crochet to make it match with 4 inches. X with 4 inches, you know. You will see, I'll show you my get swatch, because this bra cup is start with rectangle. I already have my piece made. It's 19 half double crochet, make 4 inches, but I decided to just make 17 half double crochet because the yarn will be slightly stretched out a little bit. So for me, I like to minus 2 stitches, so I decided to do 17 half double crochet. You can just do the way I do, or you feel like it doesn't matter, 2 stitches less or more, you can see by yourself which way you want to do. So I just show you how I did it. And now with the 4 inches up there, I actually keep making it and see how many rows I want. I end up making 13 rows. So like 4 inches, I want to minus half of the inches, like 3.5. Here 13 inches is like 3.2. Anyway, again, it's stretched out, so I just make 13 rows. You can go ahead make 15 rows if you want. I make 13 rows with 17 half double crochet and turned out fine for my breast. So this is how I did it. And now we're going to make this curving part. This is our ingredient now, the 17 half double crochet plus 13 rows. Go ahead, write down your number when you start to crochet this rectangle that you call, and then just try. I also try a couple times to find my right number, and every time I have my book, write it down, everything in the book, and then you can come back and see it again. All right, now you're just going to start your piece. This bra is super easy, or the whole thing, or the whole bra cup. We just work with half double crochet. When you got your number down, you can start to do your cup. I actually do a couple times to got my number right. Yeah, by the way, you have to always make the gauge swatch. If you want to learn to make a proper crochet garment, you have to learn why gauge swatch is so important. If you want to know all about the gauge swatch, you can just comment down below and make the whole video about that for you. All right, now we make chain of 17. Since we're going to make 17 half double crochet, so 17 plus 2, 17 plus 2, and this 2 is just to build up the yarn. You will never count as the stitch in my way of making things. I don't know about other designer, but this is how I do. After that, you will put the hook into third chain from hook to create the first half double crochet, and then you're just gonna make like so. Every chain you add 1 half double crochet until the end of the row. You will have 17 half double crochet. And now you got 17 half double crochet. Row 2, chain 2 is super easy. You're going to just repeat row 2 over and over again. After chain 2, you turn your work, and then you put half double crochet in third chain from hook, obviously on top of the half double crochet from previous row, and you're just gonna keep repeating that 1 half double crochet in each stitch of the half double crochet from the first row until the end of the row. And again, you're going to have 17 half double crochet. And if you just start, you don't know yet how many rows you should make, you just keep making it until until the length of your measurement. You just use your measurement tape and make the calculation how many rows you need it to have. Just make sure if you want to make it fit perfectly, just don't make it too big. And again, if you make it too big, just do it again and write a number down. Just so much fun to keep making it and learn from your own mistake. That's how I learned to design everything. So just go ahead and do this until you got the row of your design. In this tutorial, we're going to make 13 rows. And here I got my 13 rows made. Woohoo! You perhaps have something like this by now. Now we're going to make the curve. Just chain 2. Now turn the work, and we're going to make this curve around here. It's very simple, believe me. You're just going to chain 2 and then add half double crochet on top of half double crochet from previous row again. And each one of them just add 1 half double crochet. Just keep doing that until you come to the last stitch. The last stitch of this row, you're going to add 3 half double crochet in there. So now you have in total of 19 half double crochet, because the last one you add 3 half double crochet. Alright, you can see here you're going to add the half double crochet along in that line. You can also add at the end of the row or in the between. The point is you just have to add half double crochet along this line. Make sure not too much and not too less, because if you put too much, it's gonna be, not nice. You just have to add the stitch evenly, not too much and not too less. You will learn by doing it. For me, I add 16 half double crochet in there. You will see sometimes might need to add in the between rows. Sometimes you might need to just add in the end of the row. When you have your work in your hand, you see exactly how you do it. And I like to just put my last one at the corner. This way is make the bra cup holding up better for me. Just have a look. This is just a tip from me. If you want to do the same, go ahead, do that. And so, as I said, write down your number. I have 19 one side here. From there, 19 half double crochet, and then at the end of the other side I have 16, so altogether is 35 half double crochet. And I'm just going to repeat this over and over again by chain 2 and add 1 half double crochet across, back and forward. You will see it will start to form the cup under your breast, and you're just gonna have to repeat it and see how many rows you need to make. For me, is end with 9 rows, and it's fit me gratefully. You just have to keep going and put it on your body. If you need more rows, just make more rows. The most important thing is that track down the number, so this way you learn for the next time. So here how my 9 rows under the breast look like. I like the fit very much, and I'm just gonna chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is how we create this style of bra cup. Let me know in the comment below if you would like me to put up together the whole video tutorial of this BFF bra, breastfeeding friendly, for you here as well. If so, just click the like button so I know you like this type of video tutorial. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Oh, by the way, check out this video over here. I also show you how to make the bra cup that fits you in different methods. And also there's another video how to after make the bra cup and to put it together and create something with that bra cup. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I see you next time. Bye bye.